Welcome to our in-depth review of the 2027 BMW i7, a car that redefines what an electric luxury sedan can be. Today, we'll explore every aspect of this groundbreaking vehicle, from its jaw-dropping design and interior luxury to its cutting-edge technology and performance. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a tech lover, or simply curious about the future of mobility, this review is for you. Starting with the exterior, the 2027 BMW i7 immediately stands out with its bold and futuristic design. BMW has maintained its iconic kidney grille, but in the i7, it's transformed into a sleek, illuminated feature that gives the car a commanding presence on the road. The aerodynamic lines are carefully sculpted to reduce drag, enhancing efficiency while giving it an unmistakably elegant stance. From the front to the rear, every curve and contour has been optimized for both performance and aesthetics. The adaptive LED headlights are not just visually striking, they also offer intelligent beam control, adjusting automatically to traffic and road conditions to provide maximum visibility without blinding other drivers. The taillights feature a seamless LED strip that spans the width of the car, emphasizing its width and luxury feel. Moving to the interior, the BMW i7 truly feels like a lounge on wheels. Step inside, and you are greeted with a spacious cabin, premium materials, and an almost futuristic ambience. The dashboard is dominated by a curved display that integrates both the instrument cluster and the infotainment screen, providing an intuitive and visually appealing interface. BMW's latest iDrive system is highly responsive and supports touch, gesture, and voice commands, making it incredibly easy to control navigation, media, climate, and vehicle settings without taking your eyes off the road. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin can be customized to match your mood, and the high-quality leather and sustainable materials used in the seating and trim add an extra touch of sophistication. One of the standout features of the i7 is its seating comfort. The front seats offer multiple adjustments, massage functions, and heating/cooling options, ensuring that every journey is as relaxing as possible. In the rear, passengers are treated to executive-class seating with reclining options, footrests, and even optional entertainment screens that can stream content from multiple sources. BMW has also incorporated advanced noise cancellation technology to make sure the cabin remains serene, even at highway speeds. Now let's talk about the heart of the car, the electric powertrain. The 2027 BMW i7 comes with a dual-motor setup that delivers instant torque and a smooth, whisper-quiet driving experience. Depending on the configuration, power output can reach up to 610 horsepower, allowing the i7 to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just around 4 seconds. What's truly impressive is how BMW has balanced this performance with efficiency. The battery pack offers an impressive range, capable of covering over 400 miles on a single charge under optimal conditions. Fast charging is supported, allowing the battery to reach 80% capacity in under 35 minutes at compatible chargers, making long trips more convenient than ever. Handling and ride quality are also noteworthy. Despite its size, the i7 feels agile and responsive thanks to BMW's advanced adaptive air suspension and rear-wheel steering. The suspension adjusts in real time based on road conditions and driving style, providing a smooth ride in comfort mode or a more dynamic experience in sport mode. Steering feedback is precise, giving drivers a connected feel to the road, while the all-wheel drive system ensures excellent traction and stability in various conditions. When it comes to technology and driver assistance, the BMW i7 is packed with features that make driving safer and more enjoyable. BMW's latest autonomous driving capabilities, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and traffic jam assist, reduce stress in heavy traffic. The car also comes equipped with an advanced head-up display that projects critical information directly onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay informed without looking away from the road. Additional safety features like automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and 360-degree camera systems make it one of the safest cars in its class. Connectivity is another area where the i7 excels. The car supports over-the-air software updates, ensuring that your vehicle remains up to date with the latest features and improvements. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are included, along with integrated navigation that uses real-time traffic data to provide optimal routing. BMW has even introduced a fully digital key system, allowing drivers to unlock and start the car using a smartphone. In terms of sustainability, the BMW i7 doesn't just focus on zero emissions. It also emphasizes environmentally responsible manufacturing. Many interior components use recycled or sustainably sourced materials, and the vehicle's energy efficiency is optimized through advanced regenerative braking, which recovers energy during deceleration and feeds it back into the battery. Another highlight of the i7 is its sound system. BMW partnered with premium audio brands to deliver a surround sound experience that rivals high-end home theater systems. Every note is crisp, every bass line punchy, and the cabin acoustics are finely tuned to create an immersive listening experience. The driving experience itself is where the i7 shines. Whether cruising on the highway or navigating city streets, the car feels composed, stable, and effortless. Acceleration is smooth yet thrilling, braking is responsive, and the adaptive suspension ensures that comfort is never compromised. The combination of luxury, technology, and performance makes the i7 a true flagship for BMW's electric vehicle lineup. Overall, the 2027 BMW i7 is more than just a car. It's a statement of what modern electric luxury can achieve. From the futuristic exterior and opulent interior to the cutting-edge technology and exhilarating performance, every element has been carefully engineered to impress both the senses and the mind.